Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Alright, yo, co-agency, there, really and truly, I do 2 reactions today. Now no audio, you know the reaction. I get halfway through this and realize what the problem was. I'm gonna say, you know what? This I gonna get done, you know. The other 2 them, that now go up because I'm not gonna re-react to them and fake it. Like, I'm not gonna do that. But I never finished that one, yeah. I was only like a minute and 30 seconds in. So, today we have DoRoad plugged in with Fumez. The plugged in with Fumez them, trust me, heaven sent. Can't ask anything better. I'm gonna really want to talk too long because I done did already react to this already, but I could do it properly this time, you know? Brother, in the last video, I'll go for my puffer jacket and them something there in a dog. Right now, I just have it on. You think I'm just in my room with a puffer jacket in a Jamaica. No, for the video, but anyway, dog, forward.
You know, a lot of people ask us, how is CDOT funded and where do you get your money from? The simple answer?
Fumez engineer.
Fumez engineer. The simple answer?
You know what it is.
Bow!
For the guys.
Yo, the first part.
Me and Chuck got a book in the shop on his birthday, gave him a punch up for a present. I hit 2 birds with 1 stone. My first boot in with no ordinary question. Gave my young with a strap to the go round day. See anyone do them all real. He got the first time and he got the second time, now I get the message. Me and Chuck got a book in the shop on his birthday, gave him a punch up for a present. I hit 2 birds with 1 stone. My first.
Man can taunt me up for my birthday present. Now, when you used to date at school, the body say your birthday, if you have 15, you get 15 top. But I know him friendly, so the body say top up the bad so.
Him with no ordinary question, gave my young with a strap to the go round day. See anyone do them all real. You better get him. He got the first time and he got the second time, now I get the message. I try not to talk too mad on tunes, cause I swear these feds on my nuts.
Oh,
they
my
said I
nuts.
got guns and drugs. Now I'm trying to give guns to my young bucks. There was no comment Sunday morning and Sunday night, my guys linging off thunder. I get the call for my duty, a side or money or a boot, and I call that plunder.
I get the call for the Call of Duty. Something plunder. Youth, if you not play Warzone, you not gonna know them something that you would. Call of Duty, plunder. I'm doing the dark.
They said I got guns and drugs. Now I'm trying to give guns to my young bucks.
young bucks.
There was no comment Sunday morning and Sunday night, my guys linging off thunder. I get the call for my duty, a side or money or a boot, and I call that plunder. Why these grown niggas gassed up talking about Betty? I was 17 walking around with a Ritter. I was real young, moving messy with a flicky. I was 15 trying to pull it on a sweater. Only now niggas be gassed with what he's went. I was when I first got a header, neck, face, shoulder, whatever. You heard a loud bang that was no exhaust.
Yeah.
I had a shit with the front and back all sawn. It was this one that had your back all torn. Tell your nigga gear up, we could go to war. Let's war. Tell your niggas gear up, we could go to war. Let's war. Lots of pellets in the face, shot me a wig, 1 pellet in the head. You ain't shot, you shit me, let you get me. I bet you wish you might have more chance than you throwing your brick. Can't name one up that I said it didn't hit, but I can. Tried to do with my cuz he jams, let it bang, but he ran. I couldn't give a fuck what you're known for. You come out of line, then I come out to Chromo. I'm on the up block, I'm a loner. You think I'm a joker, let me show ya. I had a young boy looking off buying and my other one whipping up Yola. If you think about popping me, are you dumb? I already told ya.
Are you dumb?
She said I heard clean up. Enough gun man wanna meet us.
It was me that had that right here, the rucksack. Pull up on your block, then bust that. Clean up block, I do my chores, I clean it. I do my out the bag and 7-4s. Got Arsenal with them cannons, we got hammers galore. Aye. Clean up squad.
I had a young boy looking off buying and my other one whipping up Yola. If you think about popping me, are you dumb? I already told ya. True said I heard clean up. Enough gun man wanna meet us. Work rate off the meter. Brand new shotgun shells cost peanuts. And we got a brand new glizzy too. Ski that head back, man was just glizzy you. I try to get a man with a 3-8 special in the morning, not too far from corn ain't flying, why are you lying? None of us man ain't dying, but I swear just one of you dead. And another got corn in it. My man got wet, yeah he's blessed. He didn't get baptized, the shit got capsized. He got drenched with his friends. I wouldn't wanna be them men. My man's boat got ton over. Old thing, everything ton over. Remember when my man got run over? We had to jump out and then run over. I never thought my friend to bring the gun over. You know we had the skeng on deck. Real life, this is no game.
That alone right there, so make me have to pull it up, the run over.
Upsides, he got drenched with his friends. I wouldn't wanna be them men. My man's boat got ton over. Old thing, everything ton over. Remember when my man got run over? We had to jump out and then run over. I never phoned my friend to bring the gun over. You know we had the skeng on deck. Live. Real life, this is no games. Real life, this is no threat. Aye.
Fumez, the engineer.
Alright. Woo! Hear that? Listen. Yo, big up Fumez Engineer, big up DoRoad, big up C-Dot, big up Chromatics, big up Mitchie Taylors, big up everybody. You see what I say? Yeah, DoRoad. Yeah, me a rock with that one here still. Plugged in with Fumez. You don't know, big up Fumez. Yeah, me a rock with that one here still. Me a rock with that one here still. It's tough still, it's tough still, it's tough, man. Me I think if me for rate it, nah, I'm not rate it out of 10 still. I can't do that off of one listen. Yeah, but yeah, Cogency, DoRoad, plugged in with Fumez. You don't know. I'm out. Peace.